Hello, welcome. Do we actually have mic this time? We have mic this time. Thank God. Everything looks okay. Okay, okay. I wonder if I can try and possibly get. What was it called? You know, who the fuck knows? Who the actual fuck knows? Gift support, that's what I want to do. I want to do gift support. I think we probably need to go into like the draw call, I would say. Also, does my mic work correctly when I'm this far away? Still picking up my mic, even if I go, yes, okay, look, good, 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 good. Happy days. Okay. In our draw call, when we draw our image, the worst thing is, I don't know if we have to, no, we don't have to do this for every frame. We just have to step through the frames. Actually, what if we just do that? Ignore the mess of everythingness, but what if we just come somewhere in this mess? Where's on drop there? Yeah, we're out of our on droppers, so at least it's closed on drop. I need to reorganize this entire file, fuck now. Okay, okay. Let's go post on Twitter quickly that I'm streaming. You know what? It helps if I can actually spell my own channel name. There we go. Okay, lefty one with a link. Hopefully this time I don't get demonetized because I'm using a different source for the audio for the rain stuff. Okay, so what I'm thinking we do is when the image changes, if the image source ends with GIF, then on an interval we just go through. Say what now? Say what now? What do you mean new GIF? This is not a thing. He tried to do Copilot. So if it ends with a GIF, loop through the frames of the GIF. And we can't do, there's no such thing as new GIF. What are you trying to pull? This is from some framework or library. I don't know if we're able to do this with just, I think we need another variable to us. To keep an, like, an index of what frame we're at. Aha. is this? Oh, this is what I was doing. This here is essentially what I was doing with Oh, that's very interesting. Render pipeline. Maybe I'll have a look into that. Oh, hey, Lofty. I am streaming, as you can see. Okay. This takes undo GIF. Oh. Did not know that. That is very interesting. Okay. Well, what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna go in this. We're gonna go in this. And what I want is, where's the actual? Yeah, this is the actual credit. Oh, there's so much extra crap in here. I think I've got pre-rolls sorted, so they won't play for the next hour because of the ad that just played. But we'll find out. Bartender, can you just fuck off? Okay, so what are they using? They're using GIF. All I want to do is get the frame data. Oh, that's so very handy. Very, very good example of what you're doing. Bruh. I just want to know how I can get a, like, an... Ah! npm, image, GIF to image frame. All I want to do is get an image per frame that I can display on the canvas. Or just like, give me back frame data or something. Aha! Yes, this is exactly what I want, because I can just loop through the frame data then. Okay, okay. Where's my code? Yeah, this is exactly what I want to do here. Actually, instead of that, what we'll do is... Just trying to think. Frame data. They say there's types for this? And there is not, because of course there isn't. Why would anybody make it that easy? Jesus. Okay. This is way less code than I thought it was going to be. But I guess it just gets the data from those. So what does it return? Return for promise. So we can probably just stub this, I guess, right? GIF frames. think I have to do that in a file. Right? TS add types to module without them. Yeah, I can't remember the freaking. There's a syntax you meant to use. Yeah, that's it. What files actually exist? Okay, let's just import this one. The results on top module will be augmented. Oh, are the audio levels off? What's wrong? What is the mic too quiet? The voice is too low. How is this? Is this better? I think it's also because I'm not looking directly at the mic today compared to yesterday. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Is this better? Worse? Horrible? Great? Who knows? Better? Also, Lofty, yeah, I didn't see a message because I have my phone on Do Not Disturb, but no, my audio should not be that low. My audio was probably that low because, actually, I think I'm meant to be in the yellow range. Is that better? I think the yellow range is where I'm meant to be hitting, and I think the green is where it's like, you're not meant to hit. I can never remember the fucking peaks on this, but I know you're not meant to hit red, and I'm trying to make it so it doesn't hit red. Maybe turn it down a little bit, too little? Yeah, I don't know. Ah, okay. Anyways, welcomes. I'm struggling. I think if we put this in types.d.ts, yeah. And what is the actual? Yeah, that might be right. Let's. I guess we'll find out. I bet you that's actually probably correct. Frame 0. Yeah, no, it's actually fucking red. Okay. Copilot GG. You want to hit orange? Lofty, there is no orange. There's green, yellow, and red. I'm colorblind, but that's definitely yellow and that's definitely red. Just be touching orange like you touch. The fuck are you talking about orange? Motherfucker, your name is orange on the screen. There's no other orange on my entire screen. What the fuck are you on about? The fuck are you on about? And it's not the same as the audio spectrum on a door. It's similar, but it's not the same. Because normally I can see another track like this when I'm doing stuff that has the pre-mix. All I'm seeing now is the post-mix, which is annoying, but it is what it is. In Audition, it's generally a gradient. Fuck's Audition? I'm talking like an actual, like, proper audio equipment. Like, physical, you know? Now, this can be in a number or it can be all. Also, there's probably a bunch of these that are wrong. But that's fine because your own frames are required. It has to be all or a number. Oh, any valid initializer. Yeah, I have no idea what the fuck that's meant to be. So let's just say it has to be all. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. It's good now. That's all that matters. Happy days. Um, oh, that's kind of interesting. Partial image information, that's gonna be fucking annoying. Okay. And then frame index, frame info. Frame data is what's returned, right? Frame index, frame info. So that should be a fucking type. Oh, give me interface. So I turned out, yeah. Yeah, also like between the 20 mark and the negative 10 mark is like, so this here should be like low level. This here should be the perfect range. And then this here should be like where your peaks are. Because anything above like here is where you die. But I should have it like, even if I get loud, right? It still doesn't go too loud. It should, the compressor should be kicking in. Do, 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 do. Come on. Oh, I had it for like a second and I accidentally backspace. There we go. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, digital clipping is what you wanted. I hope it's not Elon Musk speaking. Rip. Yeah, I think there's a limiter on it. Oh, not this one. This one. Filters. Let's get noise gate, noise suppression, compressor. Oh god, please don't call me Elon. Ew, no, no, please, no. Just no. No, thank you. We don't want to append. So this frame data. That gives us the actual image back, right? So what we could probably do, I guess. Yeah, if loaded image. What is loaded image? Oh, load image, loaded image. That ends with .gif. Yeah, because if we load the initial image in, it should just show the first frame. So then all we have to do is set interval. This is probably going to break really badly. Oh, we don't have context available at this point. Set image. We do that. And what we probably want to do is let now when we go and do this, we should end up with the GIF gifting. Oh, you know what? The GIF ain't gifting. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Why is the GIF not gifting? Is it possibly because the code's not running? I think I think it's because code's not running. I would probably do it. GIF. Are you gonna GIF? No. No. Because we don't actually increase the GIF index at all. My bad. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's try this again. Why are you not GIFing? Oh. URL. Let's try loaded image source. Still no bueno. Is it because on campus? Whoa. So, okay. The way this should be working is this should be getting the frames when we load the image into the onto the page, and then after that it should be looping through and re-updating the image, and when the image is updated, the canvas will redraw whatever is currently loaded into image, so it should just load the next frame and the next frame, the next frame. But there's also a good chance I open this console and it's just throwing errors all over the joint. Okay, well, there's also a good chance it doesn't. It could also be that the loaded image source is no longer a URL because it could be a data blob at that point. See, that's why it's a data blob when you drop it. Okay, doke. In that case, what does file 0 have on it? Do you have your, like, file name? Yeah, you do. Oh, type, image GIF. Let's just use this. This will be so much better. File 0. What is it? Type. Well, it worked, kinda. I mean, it did the thing. It didn't work properly, but it did the thing. Let's try updating this every 5. So then, like, it updates, but it's, like, hella slow. So after 5 seconds, we should get an error. Oh. Why do you have a... okay. You shouldn't do. What are you then? What do you mean just use an image tag? That's not how this works. You can't just draw a piece of... I'm taking a GIF, decoding the GIF, taking a part out of the GIF, creating an image out of that, and now I'm trying to draw that back onto a canvas. You can't just use an image tag. It didn't work that way. I'm sorry, but it just don't. Let's also change this to 1, because I'm not waiting that long. And let's just do this as a set timeout. Okay, so it's a content stream. So you're not even an image. I feel like this is a lie. I think... Copy whatever's in the image tag on the canvas. No, that's not the issue. The issue is that it's not looking through the frames correctly, because I don't think this is actually... I don't think what this is returning... Drawn canvas DOM element, or a data stream. Yeah. Options output type. Where's output? What do we get back now? Yeah, now we get back a canvas. We can do something with that. Maybe, kinda. 60. Oh, that interval. Guys, we did it. We did it. It's broken as fuck, but we did it. We have GIFs rendering. I can't believe this worked. Like, that is heckin' broken, but my god. Also, sorry, I have no idea what you mean by you can just copy it from the image tag and canvas what you say. Like, that just, what do you want about? Like, we have to get the frame data and do that. There's no other way to do it. Is there a way to get, like, the... I wonder if the delay time is the time before... Oh, how I love the internet. Um, I wonder if delay is... So it just doesn't exist anymore. That's fucking great. If it works, well, I mean, works. I don't know if that works. We might need to clear the canvas. Okay, I just want to like see the website. Seriously, it was just like taking over. Just take me back to here then. Yep, this one will work. Oh no, because then that won't loop back around. Damn it. I guess I can just have another method in here then. I need food. My brain's not firing properly. This is bad code. This is very, very bad code. Can I fix the delay on stream while I'm streaming? No, I'm on low latency. What the fuck? Okay, no. I just checked. My account is on low latency. Are you on low latency? If you like click on the little thingamabob on the stream video and check, are you on low latency? Because it says my stream is. So I don't know what you're on about. Easy. Good night. Okay. So frame data gets passed in. We start at index 0. We process the first frame, and then at the end we just keep looping back to the... Yeah, that'll probably work fine. Hello, welcome. You're on gigabit Ethernet with 10 milliseconds. Yeah, no, Trey, if you click on your video, does it say on your video that it's in low latency mode? Because it could be that you've got Twitch set as just normal fucking mode, and that's what's doing it. Because that used to do that to me. And then I'd switch over and just immediately it'd fix everything. Welcome. I'm gonna butcher the name. Abrinsky. I always wonder about people that have like a 1 on their name. Because like, they seriously got the exact name of somebody else, but just one other person. Like, what are the fucking odds? You know, let's write a big ass, like, to do. Make this not shit, because it's really bad code. Actually, that's enough to do. Rip. DJ Pain 1. The amount of people that I've seen that have, like, just names like that. And then, like, all my names and all my social medias have always just been what I picked, because fuck yes. And holy shit, yeah, I should order some food because it's like almost late right time. Okay, that should just keep going through the frames, and then what we're gonna do is a set timeout, which this is why I'm saying this is really bad code, because the set timeout's probably never gonna get cleared, to be completely fair. Is this lofty beam? Yeah, that is lofty. Where the hell where did the one go from the package we were using? No, what is the package we're even using called? GIF frames. Yeah, I thought we still had that up. Maybe not. Okay, so, and what does it return? Frame info. Yeah, frame info will have it. Frame dot frame. Oh. Delay. Easy, enjoy your meeting, Trey. Okay, that is hilarious. Did you just change the really low latency thing, Trey? That is funny. Thank you for the follow, Tech Tuner. Welcome, welcome. Pre-roll ads are disabled for 48 minutes. Bruh, didn't we just do ads like 20 minutes ago? Why are you doing them again? Twitch. You know what? If there's ads, I 100% blame Twitch because I've tried and I just... This shit's easy. Getting an ads to work properly, not so easy. Okay, and then we'll just call handle again. Let's actually change the least to update next gift frame. So that should, on the first call it, and then from then on, call it every time on the delay of the next frame, which this says it's 1/100th of a second. So do we just have to times it by 10 to get it for the milliseconds? I mean... It's not working. It's Giffen. Is it Giffen right? Not really, but it's Giffen. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's see, what food should I get? Let's order some food, and then once we order some food, we'll try and make this not do whatever the hell this is doing. For what it's worth, this is what it's meant to look like. Okay, why can this get all the pieces of it? Is it because it needs cumulative mode on? Oh, it might do. I remember seeing that. Where was that? Why do I keep seeing like... Oh, thank you for the follow. That's why I keep seeing flashes up on screen. It's people following. Okay, that makes more sense. Thank you for the follow, Joel. Okay, this is possibly what this needs to be. We just need to pass into options. It's a boolean, right? Default to false. Yes. You're optional, buddy. Oh yeah, I probably should stretch. I've already been streaming for like 40 minutes. I need to get one of those like back rollers. I feel like my entire body just needs scratching. Or just like you put on one of those things with the horses where they just run away. I feel like that would be really, really, really nice. Okay. No fucking way. No way it was that easy. Guys, we have gift support. Bruh. Holy shit, we have... This was way too easy. I thought this was gonna take... And we even managed to get the gradient correct still off of the picked colors of it. Holy damn. Go us. This is insane. I cannot believe this works. For those that are new here, I started working on this entire project like a week ago, a few days ago, something like that. This is blowing my mind, the fact this is working. I'm pretty sure right now that my browser is not too happy with me though. Maybe 200. Okay, that's not too bad. Where's this tab? Okay, this isn't too bad. This is the exact same performance. This is the exact same as what I was getting from when I was rendering out just images. So rendering out a GIF doesn't seem to be any more heavily performant, like any more heavy than an image. And just to test this, let's just go and draw an image. That was interesting. Did I just do something? Oh no. It's still running. Okay, that's what I was talking about a bit of Janko. Okay, I just realized what's happening. This gets loaded in, and then it just never stops. We need to clear this timeout somehow. This is why this is bad code. Seems to be frozen my code editor. This happened before. There's like an issue with OBS, I swear. All good now, I'm assuming? I'm half tempted to do HDMI out and then do it into my gaming PC and use OBS on there to record because of how many just weird issues I've had with Mac on here. Also, I think we probably need to add some stuff to like show the fact that like how many FPS and stuff we're getting. Because I can guarantee you right now we're not getting, I mean, we're probably getting like 80 to 100, but we're not getting what we should be getting. We should be getting at least 120 easily, but we're not. Also, it's absolutely hilarious. Though somebody messaged me again today on SoundCloud trying to buy my bloody account, and I'm like, bruh, I'm not selling it to you. It's like, if you wanted my account, you should have got the name right at the start. Grid overlay for Snap? What do you mean a grid overlay for Snap? Oh, for the Snap to grid? Funnily enough, I'm pretty sure the new Snap to grid is... Oh no, yeah, because that's a 50 grid and this is a Snap to grid of 10. But you can use the grid to line it up, funnily enough. Because this will line up with this. If I turn off corner radius, shadow size, we'll put it... Oh, we probably should give you an option to change the frame size as well. But if you have a look now, Lofty, you can see that like this should... Yeah, this lines up perfectly, pixel to pixel on the grid. Paint debuggers and dev tools? Wait, what? Say what now? Joe, where is this? I'm dumb and it needs to light up. You know what? I have no idea about how we implemented it at Canva, which is kind of good because that way I can't accidentally steal what they were doing. You know what? Let's just go and Chrome enable Canvas dev tools. Say what now? Yeah, I don't really care. It's on GitHub. Go to the performance tab. Wait, what? Go, oh, visit the profile tab and now you see a capture canvas frame. Oh, wait, what? Go to the settings panel, the Chrome developer tools, experiments, canvas inspectation. Oh. Where is the... Oh, this one here. Experiments. No, it doesn't exist anymore. Oh, this is just in this. Yeah, no, so I think I'm going to build some Canvas tools that actually help you with this because I want something that you can just have on the page that shows you how often Canvas is being called. And it's actually pretty easy to do that. So when canvases are created, they're created using document create element. So you can hook document create element, put your own copy of the method on there, and then recall that when you want to. But during that, you can do tracing, and anytime it's called, you can mark that it's called. And you can also provide back a hooked canvas that in that, whenever its draw call is called, you also record it. So that way you can record how many canvases are being created and how often they're being drawn to. Because that's another thing. There's also way too many canvases being created right now. Like, this looks super smooth and you wouldn't even know it. But this background canvas, everything everywhere here is being recreated thousands and thousands of times a second. Paint rectangles, yeah. Yeah, if we could have something like that for canvas, that would be fucking amazing. But I don't think we have anything like that, unfortunately. Also, I'm kind of curious. Yeah, it even works over that. Because, yeah, it's just rendering a single image on each render. That is insane. Okay, so what we're probably going to have to do is... GIF frame ref. And this is just going to be return type of set. That way it works both in front end and back end. Yeah, so funnily enough, I used to work at Canva, but I didn't even do any of this stuff at Canva. I did like really basic shit. But I haven't really played with Canvas before now. I played with it a little bit in December when I built like a charting library. But since then I've just kind of left it. Timeout ref for your frames, yeah. And then what we'll do is just trying to think. We load the new image. Yeah, because we could set image after this. So that should be fine. Perfect. And I think that lag at the start was just because it was loading a gradient. Was that just it pulling in the image? Yeah, I think that was what it was. It was just pulling in the image data for the gradient colors. Okay, well, we have GIF support. That was easy. Like, beyond easy. It was almost too easy, actually. Sus. Yeah, that's fine. And now we play the waiting game. Okay, well, while we play the waiting game, order food. Food. What do I want for food? I'm hoping to stream for, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. Like I did, I think I streamed 6 hours yesterday. So I'm gonna see if I can try and do the same today. This time, if stuff happens like my mic not working, please let me know. Because the other day I spent like an hour streaming before realizing that I was muted. I'm pretty sure my mic's working this time, yes. Yes, happy days. Happy days. Okay. Oh, I kind of want noodle box. Do we get noodle box? You get satay or... Easy, Lofty. Well, we've almost got gift support. Well, I mean, if this works, we've got gift support added. What else is on your list? Oh, by the way, the reason that we have gift support is because Lofty just keeps throwing ideas at me, and I saw, what was it, animated timeline, which, like, I was like, eh, But then I was also like, we could just add GIFs. GIFs would be cool. So even though you didn't necessarily give me the idea, it helped. Also, we need a fancy not found page. Come on, railway. Well, I know that they're meant to be fast, but sometimes I swear. Who's getting fired and have pictures of us? Oh, that'd be great. Yeah, this shouldn't be 459 man. Ah, actually, it might be. Make a button that spins. No. Lofty, it should just have a vote. You know my main site? It should have a vote thing and it should just have you and me and it should say like who's getting fired and they just pick one of us. And then it will come up with like a are you sure? And then if they say no, we're like, sorry, you've already chosen, too bad to go back now. Don't be a coward, stay with your selection. Just guilt trip the poor person. Okay, now we just have to wait like 2 minutes. Yeah, you've made the choice now that we sacrifice, no going back. We could then just hide their little thing and then move. Oh, what's this? Held a message for a reason, smart detection. Have you seen H? Oh, I fucking love HTTP cat. Also, let's mod Lofty. Okay, it should be live now. So there's this Easter egg. There's this Easter egg where you can get Prime to be loaded as the image when you go to the site. That is hilarious. GIF support. You know what? It's kind of funny. I just realized it doesn't let you save a GIF. So what's the point? Why did we just add GIFs? Oh my god, I didn't think this through. Export to MV4. But Lofty, the problem is the way this is built, the way we just added this. This is hilarious. The way we just added this, there's no way to save it as an MP4 because there is no animation that's happening. Yeah, it's like printing a GIF. Oh, we fucked up bad. Well, you know what? I don't think we're just not gonna mention the fact that we've added GIF support. Did I mention it on Twitter? Did I mention we added GIF support? This is what happens when I don't eat. There was an attempt. We added GIF support. God, you see, it's totally spinning. Oh, Jesus. Windows has been fucking great for ages. Also, why don't we have a favicon? Where did our favicon go? We have a favicon locally. Is our manifest not good enough for you? Oh. You're not happy with the size of it, I guess. Yeah, there's our icon. Bruh, you should be rendering it. So much was learned. You know what, Joe? I don't think anything was learned. Because like the thing is, this is what I had assumed would work from the start. I was like, oh yeah, so you get an image and then you just like get all the bits of the image and you just loop the loop and then you got a moving image. When I found out movies were just moving pictures, it broke my head. I was like, what do you mean? They're just lying to us this whole time? I thought video, like, I didn't realize video is not a thing. Video doesn't exist. Video is just images. And images are just triangles, and triangles are just 1s and 0s. Everything's just 1s and 0s at the end of the day. It also blows my mind the fact that we just got a rock and we're like, what if we just put lightning in this? And they're like, oh, what if we did it? What if we just made it do math? Like, what do you mean?
Just save every frame of the GIF easy.
I mean, oh, I wonder if you could. I wonder if you could make frame data from. Oh, you probably can. I once had to start multiple separate processes to save high-res PNGs from Flash. Jesus Christ. Okay, so I wonder to save a GIF if we could start saving parts of the canvas once every X, and then after resolution time, we then take those frames and make a GIF. Well, no, so rip GIFs to frames, you say that. I don't know if you're watching, but that's exactly what we did. We get all the frames, and then we just loop through them, getting the image from each of the frames. And then we just use the delay of the frame data to make sure that it's in time. Kind of genius when you think about it. We just ask it, like, how often do you loop? And then we just loop on the frequency that loops. And also, like, because of this, we can also just do this. I don't think it's going to update because it should be a stable reference. But yeah, there we go. So if it's just if it's faster than the amount of frames it has available, it'll just freak out. I'm pretty sure we can do a lower delay because that should theoretically, oh yeah, let's refresh. Theoretically, that should have enough frames. Oh no. I just thought about it. If we have a GIF and then we load another GIF, and then we load another GIF, you know what I think this is doing? I have a feeling this is just loading them all together. Because this only gets rid of it. Oh, this only gets rid of it if the next file isn't one. What we actually need to do is this. Oh, for fuck's sake. Look how many GIFs. Look how performant it is. I've got to say, look how performant it is considering. We can't even. Oh my god, wait. Can we flip GIFs? Oh no, the flip stuff doesn't work because the flip is on per image. Oh, that's depressing. Because like you can see it flip, but then it flips back because of the rendering process. We have to redesign the rendering process, I think. Not a link. Rabbit.hole. Yeah, I'm a bit sussed if I would have clicked that. Thanks for follow T1LT. Tilt? Is that Tilt? T1LT. Jiffy. Yep, Tilt. I fucking love Tilt. That's such a good name. Especially since, like, if you were to stream, you could, like, get people in games and be like, hey, you got tilted. And it would be branded plus... plus it actually makes sense. I've been contemplating on what I should be getting for food, and I just keep going around in circles. Do I just, like, double down and order... Fuck it, let's just order KFC. I can't even eat that while streaming. You got zapped, exactly. Yeah, that's where it came from. Oh, okay, well, so, you know what? I'm a fucking genius, you're a fucking genius, we're all fucking geniuses. You got Beatsmith, you got fucking Bamboozled is what you got. Also, I really like the frames, I'm gonna say. I just like the fact, like, this all works. So, the whole reason this came to be, by the way, was simply for the fact that I keep seeing these tools all over Twitter and shit from all the indie devs making them. But they always make them using divs instead of canvas for some stupid fucking reason, and then use HTML or JSX to canvas, or JSX to, like, PNG, and it's just... I don't understand it. Like, Canvas is there. You guys can learn CSS. You can learn Tailwind. You can learn all that kind of shit. You can learn JavaScript. Why can't you go and learn Canvas? Is it really that complicated? I got Beast Mode. Yes, exactly. Um. Oh, click to hold doesn't work anymore. I got this working properly though, by the way. Whoa. Maybe. I think that just broke again. This should be... This should be working properly. And these were working of banana lake, actually. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but as you change these, it rotates the icon as well. uh, yeah, Flash, I don't know. Flash scares me. Flash is like a no bueno. Trying to think of what I want to do next, because fuck GIF exports. We'll find out how to do that later. Wait, Flash is just canvas? Well, I mean, I guess, yeah, they're not far off each other. Could you build this in Flash? Fuck that. Fuck that in its entirety, Lofty. Why would I want to? No. No. No, sorry. Also, the stacks are completely broken when you rotate, I've got to say. Because this stack used to come out the top. Now it's like why, why is the stack now there? Because look, if I refresh this, and drag this back on. Oh, I've realized why now. It's because the stacks are irrelevant depending where the image... The stack should probably rotate. Oh, shit. The cube. I miss the cube. Could you say X, Y manually the stack? I mean, yeah, we could add a slidey boy. Also, for those that don't know, these officially are called slidey boys, and if you don't believe me, it's because you're wrong. Because they're literally called slidey boys. Also, why is my PC just like crying all of a sudden? What is Chrome doing? What have I done wrong on this that's making it go? Yeah, my computer is not happy right now. My Mac is very, very hot. Okay, but where's the GPU? Is there no way to see GPU usage on a Mac? GPU history. That's all I get? Really? Okay, well, can we see if this at least does my assumption? Waves is the one that usually breaks everything. And I'm not too sure why Waves does that. Kind of like the position drawer. Yeah. We could definitely add slidey boys to that. I'm just trying to work out why my MacBook all of a sudden is just like hating life. Because it's making a lot of noise now versus what it was before. Oh, you know what? We've got an old copy of this loading. Oh, you know what? It's probably that. Yeah, it could be because we had the old copy of the site loaded there. Might have been the bug version still opened. You know what? I don't think I'll ever call it a GIF. They GIFs all day long. Okay, the fact that that's just going to stay on top, that's handy. Let's leave that up there. What I kind of want to add is the ability to save as WebP. That would be kind of nice, to be honest. If we have an image up to stream, we'd have to convert it. Oh god, I hate that. Graphically pleasing. Ugh. What do you mean pre-roll ads are disabled for an hour? You said less than 38 minutes ago that they were disabled for 38 minutes. Oh, we hit 256 followers. Tilt, you made us get to the nice 8x8 number. Let's ask our friend. If we have a canvas and we wanna save it, can we do that in WebP without any libs? I think the data from it starts as PNG. Eating toast in the sky? What do you mean? Wait. Hold up. Hold up. What do you mean you can just ask it for the other version? What? Why are the props in here? Motherfucker, what are you... These should have been pulled with it. What the fuck is that even called? Yeah, type. No, I want like PNG or WebP. Type. We're only doing as PNG for now as default. Just so then, yeah, let's just try this. We don't need that. Welcome back. We added GIF support for absolutely no reason. Because you can't save GIFs. Okay, did that actually save as a WebP? No. Guys. What? We can do WebPs. What? And let's also save a PNG. Look at the size difference. Holy shit. So this, let's just take this in. These are the same fucking image, essentially. Let's do this without a GIF, so we can see that it is the same image. Download. Same image. No fucking difference. 2.1 meg, 130K. Does WebP support animations? I know PNG A, I'm pretty sure it does. Animated PNG. A PNG. Oh, yeah. So we have a PNG. Does WebP do? Interesting. What do you mean different artifacts? What are you on about?
I can't believe how easy that was. What the actual fuck? Okay. Like, what else does it support? Because, like, we should just add the other options. We can even change the JPEG quality. Okay. Type parameter. Yeah, but what are the type parameters? Ordered. Right. Okay, so we'll just do PNG, JPEG, and WebP. Yeah, all others are optional. Okay. Um, that's interesting. We might be able to make WebP's low quality. You sure? You sure on that? Like, tell me you see any difference between these. I'm not noticing anything. Why would I use Tor? Ew. Did I order food? For fuck's sake. We are pausing the stream until I get food because I'm going to keep forgetting and I'm going to end up dying because of like starvation or something. Okay. We'll order this. Let's get chips. We'll get solo. Yep, good. I really want to know what this noticeableness that you're like, where this artifacts that you're seeing are. Because can anybody see these artifacts on this? Like, I'm switching between these and I'm genuinely not seeing it. Actually, you know what? Let's just humor myself and let's just have a look. WebP, PNG. Where's the artifacts that you're talking about? It's more lossy. I don't know. I think I honestly don't think that's true. And look, yeah, difference. Literally zero difference. No, in general, WebP versus I don't think because WebPs are lossless. They're not lossy. Like you can have lossy WebPs. That might be what you're talking about. But lossless ones are not. I think maybe that's what you're talking about, Shrey. Because yeah, in lossy they probably would have a few little extra artifacts, but that's because generally it's considered okay because of the extra compression that you get out of it. But as long as we're not doing the lossy part of it, we should be good. And that generally only happens when you're like converting down, not when you're just drawing. I mean, thanks for the follow Fortran, but also we're no longer 256. We're on the perfect number. It's right, now we just have to hit 512. It's okay, we'll just have to keep getting followers. Okay, let's order food. Food has been ordered. Also, let's close this off because I think it was just that we had that extra page open. That's why Mac was crying before. So it seems okay now. How Canvas APIs? Yeah, Canvas APIs. It should be fine. Let's also add JPEG. And also the fact that we can add these, we should probably add JPEG quality settings after. I don't know, people are gonna yell at me, what the fuck is this doing? It's doing its best. And that's what matters. Video should... Yeah, and you know what? I'm probably gonna watch it and I'm probably just gonna completely ignore 3/4 of what he says. I love Theo, but like 9 times out of 10, my brain's just like, I can't be fucked listening to this technical stuff unless it's something that actually happens to matter. And I don't know, recently I've seen a lot of videos from a lot of creators that are just, I don't know, there's nothing I really get out of them, I feel. Let's add a P2 on this. Here, last name. Yeah, this looks nice. I almost want to put like the size with it. I don't know. For those that are wondering about this site and all the rest, where is studio.fish.lgbt? I think I'm going to take a 5-minute break because I've been streaming for like almost an hour and a half now. I think everybody should go get water, have a stretch, and we'll regroup in like 5 minutes. If you guys have any suggestions of what we should add next, just drop them in the chat. We'll see. Theo usually generalizes personal experience to everyone, which I hate, but principally, yeah. So that's my issue. I feel like if he generalized less, it would probably be more helpful. If he showed his personal side of it, probably be more helpful. Or if he over generalized a bit more, it'd probably be more helpful. But I feel like he generally gets stuck in this like midpoint that I'm not a massive fan. But like overall, no issue with Theo. Just like content wise, not 100% with him at all times. Cool text layers. So cool text layers, probably add both of those, but also like full text that just ends up being fonts. Layers, I might have to restructure everything to add layers. Actually, you know what, next thing we're gonna do is we'll add an info panel for the image that you drop, I think, that shows like the metadata on it or something. No, maybe, I don't know. I don't know, you guys think. Yes, they are a mod. Okay, anyways, I'll be back. Okay, okay, I am back. Thank you for the follow. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that. I don't know. I give up. Names are hard enough. That's just help not helping. Okay. They have my food. My food is on its way. Okay, okay, okay. What should we add? Full text or layers? Like I said, I kind of want to add a metadata one um that shows all the metadata of the image that you dropped. But then maybe not. Maybe that wouldn't really play into this. Hmm. What should I do? Also, SVG repo. Can we go to like a center icon? Does this mean center? No, that's like center focus for like a camera. Do any of these speak out to any of you as like a center icon? Or like middle? Oh no, that's like the middle finger. We want like centered. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Lofty, but like it's meant to be like centered top and bottom and left and right. Or do we want two separate buttons, one that centers it one way, one that centers it the other way? Because like we've got this one here. We could use this as like centered. We need like the opposite of this, almost. I'm not hating this. Yeah, we could have a vertical separate and a horizontal separate. What did you see? The opposite further down. This one. Or am I just a blind fucker and it's like right in the middle and I'm not seeing it? The cross? You mean this horrible thing? Just below the one you said you needed the opposite. You know what? Just give me like a grid number. How many across and down is it? Bottom row center. These ones here, these are more. I don't know if this speaks to me as center. E4, E5, E6. Yeah, these ones. It wasn't this page. It was 4 arrows pointing in. E10 is the center text icon. One of these. Thing is, I want center. Maybe we just add these two. This one. I didn't even realize there was ones under these. Is this one you're talking about, yeah? I don't know how long the delay is, so we'll find out in a hot sec. Easy, okay. What's everybody's thoughts on this? Because I feel like this conveys it well. No, this conveys it well. Oh, or does the other one work better? Dang it. What would you guys prefer? We have two options. We have this one, and we have this one. I'm leaning to this. What does FA align center look like? Yeah, yeah, you're right. Yeah, it does. um, what does their center look like? Yeah, they just have the same type of thing. I love how these are all fucking pro. Oh, okay, my food's here. I'm gonna grab my food. I'll be back in a while so you guys think about it. I love how I get a separate fucking bag for my can of drink. Okay. Oh, thanks for the follow, Archer. What are you guys thinking? This one or this one? Also, why does this say pointing with an... There's a typo. Baggers for logistics. Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Here, Archer, why don't you break the tie? Which one do you prefer? I'm kind of leaning more towards the square one. We're trying to find an icon that conveys center, like to the dead center. I'm thinking this one. There's an edit vector button. Okay, let's try this one. You can always go back. Bruh, thank you. Also, yeah, now you get to see how I make SVG to... This is how I do my icons. Well, so one, I don't want to use font awesome, but I probably could. What are we looking for? We're looking for the center image button because I want to put it up here with the other buttons. Where are the other icons? Yeah, up here. And then we probably want to have this as like 16. Oh shit, how big is this thing? Hopefully it's only 24s. If it's just 24s, then we should be okay. Let's make this 24 by 24. No, let's flip this. White. Black. Current color? Yeah. Oh, yeah, we need to fix that. That's way too big. Might even just be too big to use on this.
let's not add padding there. No, beware. Yeah, that looks okay. Should be okay to fit up there, I guess. Is it the image button? Where are you? You're currently there. Now we want to move you up into... let's just call these image buttons. Yeah. Yeah, that looks better, I think. Instead of having like just a random button saying center image there. Affinity designer, what's that? Interesting. Interesting. Oh, fuck, this shit's up. God, I need a face cam just so I can show my food off. I think of what we want to add next. Because center buttons look nice. Oh, okay. One thing I'd also thought of is, as much as I dislike DHH and all the rest of that group, I kind of like the idea of the buy once stuff. And I was thinking like it'd be kind of interesting if I made like a bunch of tools, like a Discord clone and shit that you could just self-host that I maintained. Oh shit, that one you sent me, Lofty, that actually looks really fucking good. Fuck. Also, the one that I have at the moment, just gonna say that now looks like a British flag. That doesn't look like a bunch of arrows pointing in. Enjoy your pool dip. Everybody's just gonna have to enjoy ASMR for a few minutes while I eat my wrap. Oh god, it's good. I'm gonna stay as far away from the mic as I can. Archer, if you have any suggestions for the next thing we should add, go ahead, because I need something simplish. I can't think of anything. Now, Lofty, layers are gonna. I have to re-implement a whole bunch of stuff to add layers. Like, I want to add layers, but not gonna be easy. And full text, we could add that, but that's just fonts. My main issue with fonts is like
due to licensing, the only ones you can really provide is like Google fonts. Oh, this wrap is really fucking good. Oh yeah, we might be out of filters. What type of filter could we add as like a starting filter? I think. OG IG filters, you mean like shader support? I mean, probably fucking could. Now I no longer have wrap all over my face. I mean, how hard could it be to add shader support? So, what are shaders? Like, I kind of know what shaders are. Like, they're math. They make fancy shit. But that's about as all I know. Are we gonna learn shaders this stream? Is that what this is? Like, this is Canvas. This isn't even WebGL. Yeah, code that runs on per pixel. That just sounds like math. Basically math, see? Okay. Okay. What's like the most basic shader then? Would we have to, so is shaders like a construct? Like would we create our own shader interface and then people could write shaders for this? Is that what we're doing? Educate me. Let's ask ChatGPT. Yeah, that's what I thought. We'd have to use WebGL. This is gonna be hilarious if we end up adding shader support. Okay, geo is the open geo context, so it is drawing to the context. Well, maybe. I am. Hello. Thano. Thano. Where do I know you from? You're around? That seems real sketch. Who are you? What do you do? Why are you here? You get around? That seems like more sketch. that just went from like, oh yeah, I'm a buddy, to like, who in town hasn't known me? Okay, now there's like, what is that? Look like some world coin or something. Fucking wheel. Better TTV emotes. Okay. Why do we have buffers and why do we have to initialize them? Oh, wagon wheel. Wait. Do you mean, when you say wagon wheel, do you mean wagon wheel like a wagon's wheel, or do you mean wagon wheel like a wagon wheel? Like a wagon wheel? No. Yes. Like a wagon wheel. We've met a few times in different streams. Honestly, I'm not surprised. If you're like in the dev community, it just happens. Everybody knows everybody at some point. Also, for everybody that's watching, if you're not following, you should definitely hit that button, because it costs you nothing, and then you can come see me like do random ass shit like this next time I do it. Or not, because Twitch just won't send you a notification, because I've been checking the thing and it's just like 1% of people interacted. So it is what it is. That's half the reason I've been building Zap with Lofty. We've been building this thing. It's in a state, but we're building this thing called Zap, and oh no, that Zap, that's the wrong Zap. This Zap. We're building this, and when it works, you'll be able to like subscribe to. There'll be like public things that you can subscribe to, like Twitch streamers that you follow, and it will send you a notification when they go live. No matter what, like it'll actually work, unlike what Twitch's thing does, where it just doesn't. So yeah, I think that's gonna be really good. The whole thing of Zap is like a notification thing, essentially. Okay. What were we doing? Wagon wheels. Chat you. Ah, that's right. Oh my god, there's so much stuff you have to do. Why do you have to do so much just to do a shader? What do you mean you didn't know wagon wheels are... What do you mean? Who raised you? Find out Brinsky's been living in the forest this whole time. God. Oh, yeah, you were following me when I used to stream. Oh, shit. Good times, good times. Iowa is a terrible place, why I left. Iowa just sounds, just the name of it just doesn't sound pleasant. Okay, well... Now, do the same thing, but like one function. And that's it. And way less code. Please. I literally, even if it's just like a dot on the screen, I just want something stupidly basic that shows me that shaders work. Yeah, just make it red. Perfect. Because if we can get this working in a single function, we should be able to draw this to our canvas, I think. WebGL might take a lot of boilerplate, but the reason I'm trying to get this to make a very, very simple one is the simplest one I can find, I can create a generic function out of that we can use to insert like the different parameters and shit in. Somebody suggested find the other day, and honestly, I found it even more useless than ChatGPT. I think mainly because I've gotten used to prompting ChatGPT. Can we draw this to my existing canvas? Ooh. Is there just like a different context? But, oh, okay. So we're just gonna get this. We're just gonna ignore that first part for the canvas. Now, this might get real jank. We might just need to turn off drawing. Let's do that. Let's clear the canvas and then we'll just return. I love that. Now chat that now tell TS to fuck off. Otherwise it's just like, this is all unreachable code, and I'm like, I know, but like I did it for a reason, so fuck off. I'm thinking we can probably dump this in here. Oh, because these could be false. Really? Just return. Same with fragment shader. Shader. Okay, I'm kind of recognizing these things. Shader program. Fragment shaders. I know they're a thing. Okay. Whose bets are on this working? Do we have like a poll feature? I think we do, right? Manage polls. Create a new poll. Question. Okay, let's see if we can do this without accidentally closing the stream. Will it work? Yes. No. Maybe. Who the fuck knows? Duck. Yeah, and you can even have more votes if you have like 100 channel points. I don't know how many channel points you guys all have. There you go. Let's view these results. You guys have like 60 seconds to vote. Or just don't vote. Okay, nobody vote. Rip. Okay, let's see if it worked. Oh, god dang it. For one, let's not do that. So can it just not get the WebGL context? Well, that's annoying. And nobody even voted on the poll. Let's see how it is. Duck one. I see. Why can't we get the WebGL context? But why? Oh. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. We can do shaders, but we can't do them on the same canvas. So we can do a trick. So you're gonna get your own canvas. Document, create. Copilot, are you like drunk? You just not working anymore? And then let's rename this to like web geo canvas. And then we'll just call this like web geo CTX. So the web geo canvas at the end of this, let's just draw that back to our main canvas, right? Web geo canvas. Because that way we can get the context of this one in geo, and we've got the other one in 2D, and then we can just overlay them. Oh, thanks for the follow. Also, when you say there's nothing showing for you, okay, no, the stream's still working. Let's try this. Although we might need to web geo canvas width, canvas width, web geo canvas height. Just that way, we're not playing guessing games. Everything's just the same. No fucking way. That doesn't work because we have everything else turned off, but that renders. No way. You guys wanted shader support? How is it this easy? This is what I keep telling everybody. Where everybody's just like, oh, it's so complicated to do programming. What do you mean? If you don't understand something, ask the black box magic thing that OpenAI made. ChatGPT's there to help. We now have a red box. It's not the greatest red box, but it's ours. And we made it. And that's what's important. And look how freaking responsive this is. Now, like, let's take this. Also, this is also a fun thing you can do in JavaScript and TypeScript, is you can create a new context by simply just, like, putting brackets. There's no if, there's no nothing, it's just, this is a new context now. But let's just take our little shader, and let's move our shader after the background. After the image is drawn, but before the text. Huh. We... what is it that we need to fill? No, what is it? What is the fill style? It's fill style, right? There are no fill style on WebGeo account? No, there should be, because it's just a canvas. Why am I not able to get fill style on there? Oh, it's on the CTX. I'm a freaking idiot. Is there a fill style on CTX? Okay, so how are we able to get it? Maybe... Because that's the image canvas being drawn. Oh, maybe it's because we're still in the shadow. No, because then we black out. Oh. That's clearing the screen, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. I can't believe we could just add shaders. That's insane. We just don't want to use that because that'll clear the screen out. We don't want that to happen. But that also means that we can probably move this as well now if we want. When would we want shaders to run? And we should also probably make it so we don't have to have these ordered. I would like so we could reorder these. Would also be nice if we could array position for the square. I'm curious where that's what like these values are actually doing. If we wanted to make this square of the whole we do that. People are just gonna watch me ask ChatGPT questions. Okay, that's helpful. That's not helpful. How do I tell Pretty to fuck off? Thank God. Okay. I love the fact that immediately it does show matrices. It would be nice if you could do like prettier matrices 3 or something and then it would auto align them. But still. Because every time I drag this out, this is incrementally getting bigger. It started off tiny at the start of last stream. Okay, well, that hasn't put it in the position that you said, but yeah, that's all you're doing as well.
RGB. Why is hex in here? Okay. There we go. So we should have got back 3 numbers. This might be a super complicated way to do this, but I don't even care. I'm gonna put you in here, put you in here, put you in here. We'll just do it this way. RGB. Have we got ads again? I'm gonna shoot Twitch. There's something wrong with their bloody ad thing. Every single time it comes up saying, oh, we're gonna stop them for this time. And then, like, immediately the ads come back again. Like, bro, what's the point? Also, maybe I shouldn't have said I'm gonna shoot Twitch. Very bad idea. I take that bit back. I was just talking. Whoa. It's doing something. Because what type of color do we have available? We have something available to us here. Shadow color, yeah, we use that. What's shadow color meant to be? Set shadow color. You're hex? You're probably hex, right? Hex to RGB. Oh, and then the alpha, which would be 1. Why are you coming back with strings, bro? Ah, for God's sake, everything's just coming back with a string. I really need to fix this. So I need to fix the fact that I'm using like 20 different versions of everything everywhere and everything's being converted around in 20 different places. They're really not good. Font hex to RGB. Why is this RGB? A, not RG. Alpha. Okay, and then let's try this again. Why does it flicker? My question. Okay. Okay, there's definitely something that we're doing wrong. I'm curious what these are rendering out to. Because if we just set these as like 255, 255, or it could also be because there's a new shader, whatever, being generated on each frame. No, because we're just getting a white box now. And all zeros, we should get the opposite of that. So we get a black box. Okay. So why aren't we getting RGB for that? What's in the console? Oh, they're not RGB values. What the fuck? Bruh. What is shadow color coming in as then? Okay, what if we just put this through? All zeros. Okay.
Also, for those that don't know, the way I work stuff out is I just fuck around until we work it out. Okay. That is completely not the right numbers. This is the way. Exactly. Fuck around, um, driven development. RGB. Oh wait, hex to RGB. These are the RGB values here. I'm a flippin' idiot. That's why I wasn't working. RGB. Maybe I just make like a shader toy after this, where people can fuck around with the shaders. Why are we still not going? What am I missing? Oh. Okay, let's go back to that and let's go console log. What are you at the moment? Oh, you are hacked. So thank you for the follow. What does FDD stand for? Oh, fuck around derivative development. Oh, I'm a genius. I thought ChatGPT's context window was bad, but my god, I'm an idiot. Okay. So, RGB. So why is our shader no change? Also, now you can see how many times that the draw call gets called. This needs to be fixed. This is not how many times it's meant to get called. Because if we just put these numbers in, okay, well, apparently not. What was the difference? Colon lactose. Why no what? What's like a known color we can just use? Yeah, 106 50. So that should be like a purple color. Okay, and that's even updating, like I expected. So, whoa. Why is shader pink now? Guys? Shader can't work? Not really, but kinda? This seems to be happening a lot for us. Is this not meant to be 1.0? Also, this returns alpha, doesn't it? It worries me why you're asking that. Are you meaning like, should it be working? Are there meant to be bugs? Ah, for fuck's sake. It shouldn't have done that. If you refresh, does it still cause that same issue? And also, are you on mobile? Because if you're on mobile, then that 100% is going to be the case. But if you're on PC, it should work. The operation is insecure. I'm insecure. Why is the operation insecure? Why is the operation insecure? That's curious. Are you in Safari? Oh, so it might have been the... It might be that I'm fucking up something to do with the push state. I might have fucked up the push state. That might be a me issue. I'm seeing a few different places that have got this issue though. Oh, do you have... Okay, let's try this because I've got Firefox. Uh-huh. You're right. Oh, I know what the issue is. I know exactly what the issue is. The the URL state's being updated too frequently. We put too many things in the URL state. We need to debounce it. So what I might do to fix that is search params. We can debounce, right? Because we're gonna get the newest update no matter what. Oh, because it's not returning anything. Turn FN. Oh no, because it gets it there. Oh no, we can't return. We just have to make a void at that point. Duh. And set search params doesn't return anyway, so that's fine. Like 500 milliseconds. I wonder if localhost has different rules for that, maybe? Let's actually put in here. Okay, that seems to be more than every 500 milliseconds. What am I missing? Let's set this to every 5 seconds just to be doubly sure that that's definitely should be how it should be working. Okay, no. Okay. It was working. Maybe? Oh. Is it not debouncing because of the use state recreating it each time? Oh, for fuck's sake. We're only using it in this one file anyway. What if we just give a global version of it? I think that might be working. So it should be after 1 second of us letting go of this, it should save state. Yep. We'll give him 500 milliseconds. Dev Siri, yo, welcome. We are currently trying to work out how to get shaders working. And also trying to fix this. You can also update it after you finish dragging. Well, okay, so no, the reason that we have to do it this way is it has to be debounced because it's not just that can update. There's a whole bunch of other stuff, including stuff that I want to have that's automated, like these buttons and stuff, and you dragging a whole bunch of stuff changes the state. And this way, it doesn't really matter who changes the state, where the state's changed. It just, if something's using this use search params, it'll get updated. So, should be good. Let's use this because we want just, yeah, you. Welcome to all the new peoples. If you haven't already, click the follow button. I'm gonna try to get back to streaming more frequently. I used to be streaming like all the time, and then I gave up for like a year. But now I'm back, I guess. Why are we gonna apologize for shaders? Every time anybody's given me a crazy idea like this, I've been like, you know what, fuck it, why not? Okay, back to the shaders, because like that fix that I just pushed, that should be up there in a few minutes. What were we doing before we got sidetracked? We were doing something. Oh, we're trying to make it so this color works correctly. I don't know why I'm just getting pink. Okay, I'm changing it to green. Now we just get white again. We only get it when we're in that corner. Oh, what the fuck? Red's red. Yellow's yellow. Green is blue. What? Is this intensity, not alpha? I think maybe that's the issue. Okay, no. So I'm right in that. It is RGB and then alpha. And that's what I'm passing it. And like if I love it out, shadow color, RGBA. See? RGBA. RGB, and then A for that channel there. Oh, yeah. Well, see, like, look at that. You can make the border... That is so cool. You can just pick a color out of this, and then the border color, the shadow color ends up being it, right? Like, imagine if we could make the shader do that. But we can't, because for some reason the shader is just deciding to be a white square. Hi, I'm the shader. I identify as a white square today. Because I bet you if we were to hard code this in, let's console log this out as vector G B A. Oh, one too many brackets. So if we just grab this is what it should be rendering out exactly. Oh, is it because it's showing a 1, not a 1.0? Is that possibly what it is? No. Because all the rest of this does is it just draws it. This entire thing here, this here is like what's actually doing it. Oh. Oh. Okay. I might be getting to somewhere here. Do I leave my 255? Okay, that's the moment of truth. Is it going to work? Oh, no way. We have shaders working. What the fuck? So next time you think it's like a crazy idea, don't think of it, just tell me. Holy shit, we have shaders working. What the fuck? We could even make them dynamic because we could make it that you could provide something like this, but with like substitutions here that we could swap out for you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is the vertex shader. So okay, we can't just comment that out, but we can comment this out. BS source. don't know if it matters about formatting. It's probably agnostic. Alright, then we'll just leave it on whatever color it is. Where's that cube? I don't see no cube. Okay, I have no idea how shaders work. I was hoping that might have just worked, but maybe not. But either way, we have shaders and we have shaded colors working. That's just blowing my mind, the fact that that's working. Oh, you would need more data for the... Okay. Okay, well still, we have shaders rendering, and I'm pretty freaking happy with that. Let's take a little screenshot of this. Let's go to the tweets. What do we got here? That does look kind of cursed, to be honest. Background driven development, exactly. Take the bait. Okay, well, we have shaders working, even if we end up having to comment the code out, because we only have like a little square. But we could probably do something fancy. I just don't know what any of this stuff does. The geo position, vertex position. What if we just like times this by 3? Like, what does that even do? It just vanishes. Okay. What if we divide it by 3? See, this is why I don't like. What does this even do? Nope. We're just gonna ask ChatGPT. What does this do? Oh, so that's taking a position, which I'm assuming this is what we give it, or does it get it from somewhere else? Or I guess we pass it in somewhere else then. Maybe that's what this is that we pass in. The position data. Yeah, I'd assume so. That's probably what it is then. Fine usage, since shaders runs per pixel sample, pixel. But the thing is, I don't know what to do with the shader, because I don't know what, like, because at the moment it just renders that, like, square. Right? Like, what do we do with the shader? Also, it's pretty funny that it just points there. Because I see people do all these, like, fancy shader graphics and stuff, like, but I don't know what we need to pass to it and all the rest of it. Like, I know how to add stuff, I just don't know how to do stuff with stuff. Does that make sense? Maybe. Silver color to current image? What do you mean silver color to current? Some color to current. But like, what do we do to the current image? I just don't know what we're gonna do with the shader. I don't know anything to do with shaders. This is the most I've ever done with shaders. I know that shaders exist. I know that you can use shaders, but that's it. I also don't even know why we have a square in the bottom corner. I was expecting that to fill the whole screen. The canvas width and height. That's the main canvas we're passing in, no? Yeah, that's the main canvas we're passing in. See, again, another pre-roll adds a disabled 54 minutes. As if it's been 40 to 50 minutes since the last ones they rolled. Don't get that. I really don't. Because my biggest thing is right now, I don't think it's actually being scaled correctly. I'm wondering if these are coming out to different sizes. No? So why are you in the bottom corner, broski? Is it these? Do these have to be different? Is it these? Like, I don't understand what any of these actually do. Does anybody understand any of this? Or are we just on our own? What if I just take this and be like, the square is only, oh, the shader only seems to be drawn at the bottom left corner, not the whole screen as I expected. Oh, you have to set the viewport as well? Yeah, let's add this. Oh, happy days. That's a shader, people. We now have shader support on the whole screen. I cannot believe that works. Um, cannot believe that works. That is insane. Jesus Christ. That is blowing my mind, to be completely fair. Do we have like a delta we can use that we can like go through stuff or something? Hydrate. I will drink. I need to get like a face cam or something at some point. Currently drinking solo. Okay. Okay. What if we... I just want to do something. Something other than this. I'm curious why this is called geofrag color. Or if that is just... If that's just a naming convention or something. And it's like, that's what's doing it. Because I'm pretty sure that gets past there, and that gets past there, and that gets past. And this is used somewhere. But yeah, if you want to link a video, feel free. Can we make this do something fancier than just showing a color? I feel like a lot of this is going to be like, you just need to provide a bunch more parameters. And I'm like, yeah, but I don't want to. Okay, cool. Yep. Cool. That's interesting. Okay, so the things they're writing there where they have like variables that are in capitals, are they just accessible to everything? Okay, and the other thing, so okay, grayscale. It's cheaper to grayscale in Canvas than it is WebGL, I think. Um, Interesting. Oh, here. We have to provide it with something, I guess. Welcome. We're trying to work out how the hell shaders work. And I have no idea how the hell shaders work. We got shaders added. Like they render on the canvas. So like we refresh. See? But do we know what shaders are? No. Do we know how they work? No. Do we have any idea about any of this? No. Lofty, I will get back to you after. Um, so yeah, if anybody here has any ideas, like this other thing, we managed to get the shaders hooked up to a thing, so I know this says shadow color, but ignore that. It's actually the shader color at the moment. Like we can get this working, I just have no idea how to make it do anything more than just a color. Because colors are cool and all, but like, that's kind of all we got. And yeah, I have no idea. What is this? What is geo position? Okay, cool, but like, what does it do? Why is this stuff never... Okay, I think this is half the reason people expect everything to be so complicated, because all the documentation is just complicated. Like, why doesn't it just be like, oh, this thing, what the fuck is this? Too many big words. I just want, like, this is array of numbers. This is the thing that makes the color change. Like, what is this? You know what? What this? Okay, so in the shader, if we set that var to something, it does something. Because I'm assuming shaders have like global variables, essentially. You set the global variables and then they dictate what changes. So I'm finding it pretty funny that... But why can we set to a color? Oh, so these are separate. So this controls where it is. This controls what happens to it. Oh, okay, okay. I'm starting to understand this a bit more. Okay, okay, okay. The hell is that? Oh, because that takes all the fun out of it. You mean why not go and use a library that obfuscates like basically every single thing that I've done? Yeah, nah. Enjoy Lofty. This is not a project to go and do something to go and create it as fast as possible. This is a project to learn how the fuck Canvas works. This entire thing we've created in like a few days. I could either go and learn a library, or I could go and learn how Canvas works. And I think this is half the reason that I find a lot of other developers end up being React developers, is they're like, oh, I've got a library, I'll just go learn it. And then that's it. They're forever stuck using that library. Whereas I don't have that issue. I just go and learn the actual fundamentals of it, and then I just know how to use the thing. Doesn't matter what library I'm using to control it. I mean, great suggestion all, but yeah, nah. Try not to use libraries if we can. Realistically, we really haven't used many libraries at all. Shots to ISO. Oh yeah. This isn't that. So this is one of the ones I was looking for as well. I've been looking for like inspirations to take from. Yeah, this is nice. Although I bet if we have a look, I can almost guarantee this probably isn't Canvas. Yeah, this is using divs. Oh, that is hilarious. Yeah, no, ChatGPT is great because I can just be like, I have no fucking idea, and ChatGPT is like, what about this? And half the time it's wrong, which means I then have to kind of go off what it's given me and still learn the thing. It doesn't like hand feed it to me, which so many people are like, this is horrible, it doesn't give me the answer. I'm like, it shouldn't. If it just gave you all the answers, then you wouldn't need to be you. You still need to like dig through what it's giving you, right? Because like a ton of this, like this here, these images, these icons, they're made by Copilot. Copilot, you can just slap some SVGs together. I don't want to have to know what this is. Who remembers what this draw path is? I know what a refresh icon is, and I could be like refresh icon, and then it can just give me the path. So, you know, there's some benefits to it, there's some drawbacks to it, and sometimes it makes the icons completely broken, but if you know how to use it well, you can do real well with it. It's like, for example, look at GIF frames, right? This didn't come with, I think we can actually even import from here. No. Oh, actually, yeah, we can. We just have to go change that. Where is that actually types here? Let's go and make this. There we go. So we didn't actually have types for this, and Copilot just threw these out and was like, oh, have some of these. And I'm like, oh, thank you. Thank you very much. And now we have imports, which is, oh, not types, which is nice. Thank you for the follow, Swifty. Is that Swifty like, getting Swifty? I feel like it has to be, right? I haven't watched Rick and Morty forever. Okay. Since it turns out we can't use the position to do a color, we actually have to use the color to do a color. Who'd have thunk? Oh, true. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake, I forgot about that. View. Where is it again? There. Yeah. I actually had it set originally, so... No, not Zen mode, because Zen mode makes it too small. I had it so... Is it hidden? Yeah, I had it like this originally. Because I just had the shortcuts to open it, right? But then, like, I don't remember what the shortcut is to open the folder, so I end up having to do this to bring up my folder. Then I probably should just get used to doing this way. Yeah. That is just it's just the pop-out window embedded in a browser window. You're right, learning from scratch helps a lot. I've never tried building APIs with Golang, but it helped with ChatGPT and Copilot, made the API up and running in prod. Good thing that AI is like, friend doesn't expect anything in return. Yeah, exactly. And it's always just like, it's okay, you've got this. I can keep helping. Even if you fuck up, I'll still try and try and guess what you're talking about. I don't use a mouse, I use a trackpad. Like, it's literally less effort to use the trackpad than it is keyboard. People are like, oh, I'm so efficient with keyboard. Like, I have to move my finger in, like, a tiny position, or I have, like, my gestures and shit. That's all I really need to do. I need to add a gesture, a two-finger swipe to open the sidebar. That would be perfect. Got error, send the whole error to ChatGPT. Lol, looks like... Yeah, no, exactly. I do that all the time with stack traces, because I'm like, okay, I have this stack trace, and I have no idea what the hell this is on about. And ChatGPT's like, oh, it was probably like this line or this line. It's like, yeah, thanks. Like, screw me having to try and work that shit out. Okay, how would we pass in the time variable? Because we pass in buffer data, but it's not named? Oh, it is. I don't know what any of this does. Okay, I'm just going to be like, okay. Add that to this. I don't know what it's trying to ask me to get time added. I figure we probably have to do something similar to this, but I'm just not sure what we need to change in that to also add the time. So I'm curious after we get this, what it's going to show differently. Actually, let's have a quick look. MacBook. Actually, VS Code. Just. Actually, yeah, that's just your VS Code. There's probably swipe to navigate. Yeah. Yep. And then I'll be able to just like swipe across and it'll work. That's 3-finger swipe though. I want 2-finger swipe if I can. Well, that's not too bad because yeah, that'll give. Oh, actually no, I should. It should be 2-finger swipe because it's abusing back and forward. That'd be great. Yeah, I'm just gonna set this up after then because I can set that up to open and close. Um, yeah, open and close it. Okay, so we will need a rendering loop. That's interesting. Also, I got rid of all the code in between. You're a genius. Okay, so we'll update our source. And then this just replaces where we render. Oh, because of hoisting, that makes sense. Um, okay. Oh, guys. Holy shit, that looks nice. Oh my god. I can't believe how it worked. Wait, is it moving? It's moving, isn't it? Is it? think that should be fine. Okay, it's not perfect. But you're getting something. Update every 100 milliseconds. Nope, that's way too fast. You hear thunder because I've got rain in the background. Like, rain. Hmm. This looks like an Apple presentation thing. Um, true. You're not wrong there. Um, this is still just blowing my mind that this is even possible. The fact that we have shaders being drawn right now through WebGL. And it's all just drawn to a canvas. No secondary canvas, no trickery, just... Also, I want to be able to select the text, but I can't. That annoys me. Okay. We might have to scrap some of these changes we made for this and just, like, stash them for now. What is that? Oh, soft murmur. Okay, so is that copyright free? Because I tried Rainy Mood on my last one and got copyright striked on Twitch. Which, like... That's why I ended up just using this one here. Which, like, it does my head in. It's a storm. How do you own copyright to that? What happens if the storm that I have, like, at my house ends up making the same noise? Am I just gonna get in trouble because they sung the same note? Like, come on. Okay. Focus, get. Yeah, let me bring that back. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the source control, that's what I was looking for. So, add that. Oh yeah, we can add the rest of those. That's all the stuff to do with that. That's all the stuff to do with Delta. Drawing. Yeah, I think a lot of the stuff we might just stash. Yeah, what if you record the same storm? Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't understand how they have the copyright to a storm. Like, come on. Hmm. You know what? We just hit a 3 hour mark. I feel like we just hit an hour and a half just a second ago. I might take a 5 minute break. I'm gonna stretch. You all should do the same. Just say it's raining at one. Well, okay. That's the thing. Like, do I just appeal the Twitch thing and just be like, nah, it was actually a storm at mine? Because I felt like doing that, but then I felt like they're just gonna come back and be like, nah, we have a thingy and you're just gonna get banned. I just want to record my own storm sounds now. And this is why I just grabbed this one, because like this one I had to suss through and it looks like this entire YouTube account is just like this person recording stuff for people. And like they only have a few followers. It's just dark. It looks like they just had their like thing just going all night type of thing. It's probably what I would have done. Just never show the tab of the video playing. Well, how do they know it's playing out of the speakers, right? Yeah, you know what? As much as I love these changes, let's just stash everything. I still want these. Yeah. Where's the download? Just gonna copy that, and I'm just gonna go. Download types. Okay. Oh, we lost the changes we had for that too. Okay, when was it that we changed that? I think it must have just been in screenshot tool. Oh no, I think we just had. Oop. Okay, I am back. What are we going to add now? That's the big question, because shaders was good, but we need to add a whole bunch of interface for shaders, and I don't exactly know exactly how we're going to do that, but that's fine. We can just shelve that for now. We can come back to it, right? I'm just curious. Risky. GG. Thanks for hanging around. I do like the fact that we now have WebP support, JPEG support. Oh, why is that chair so squeaky all of a sudden? You know what? Maybe we call the stream here. I go chill for an hour or two, and then I try and stream again. Yeah? Cool. Okay. Good stream, guys. We're gonna run one last ad, and then we're gonna bolt. Okay, so if I run the ads myself, it's interesting. Interesting. Okay. We're gonna end the stream. Pickles.